You know, in some ways, text is the most fundamental way we have of interacting with our computers through creative coding. After all, the programs that we write are structured text. And text can also be used as part of the visual output of our creative coding sketches. Letters, words, typefaces, they can all become a part of what we produce in our creative code. So in this lecture on computational texts, we're going to look at how we can employ text and various elements of text as parts of our creative coding sketches. First, a couple of announcements. The due date for assignment 1 is coming up soon. It's due on Friday of week 6. You should already be working on those briefs for your assignments and showing your tutor as you go. On this last point, please note that there are no tutorials in week 6. So this week, week 5, is your last chance to get in-person feedback from your tutor about your sketches. Make sure you bring whatever you've been working on so far so you can show it and get some feedback. Another tip there is to keep documentation as you go. For example, take little screenshots of the outputs of your sketches as you're trying out different versions of your code, and you can include these in your documentation. Pen and paper sketches of your concepts are also very useful for this. These methods help to tell the story of your creative coding process in a visual way that does not increase your word count. This lecture will be in 3 parts. First, we'll look at working with text as data or in variables in our code. Next, we'll look at how to add typographic elements to sketches, so uploading fonts that you can then use in your sketches. And then in the last part, we're going to look at working with elements of time in P5.js so that we can create animation effects with typographical text. So the next part will be on text and data, and I'll see you in that video.